Ma'am, how much on that box?
DVD?
Just the whole box.
The whole box?
The whole kit and caboodle. Dude, you left that open?
I thought you were the last one in it. You were the last one there.
I thought you put the coat back there. That coat you got? I thought you were putting it in there.
No.
Hold on.
Good when you go far.
Pickup truck?
Yeah. Minimum. That is outlandish.
All the gold mailbox.
Very premium. Oh, you're fine. We didn't see a time on the listing, so we figured we'd just show up.
Put 8 on there.
Ah, okay.
So all women's clothes, shoes, bags. There's a camera. Dad's in the process of getting tables. There's picture frames. That's a softball bag. There's books, and then there's softballs.
How much is your bat?
$10.
Seems like a nice one.
It is practically brand new.
Yeah.
I played church ball. I used to play softball, but
Yeah.
I played church ball, and that's what that was used for.
Okay. Maybe I could really hit Brandon with it. Got a lot of.
Why wouldn't you get it?
Why wouldn't you get it if you can hit Brandon?
All shoes are 7s. Heels might be 6.5s.
Hardy boys. The Hardy boys. Oh man.
Clothes galore.
Rackets. So many rackets. Junior Destiny. I don't know anything about rackets. Titanium. I've done that before. I've helped set up sales before. I'm an early bird.
Most of the clothes are going to be medium.
What is this?
And some small.
Space bag. Oh, that's just a bag that holds.
Why not?
Well, how much is it?
I'm going to ask.
Okay. You have a neighbor doing a sale too.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there in Blair.
Oh, okay.
And I bought these gloves there. Best buy of the day.
Do you have any earmuffs? I don't earmuffs.
Can I use one?
Sure. You can have one warm hand.
Cold. I didn't expect it to be this cold.
All right, what do we got?
How much is it? $1. $1.
Are they all $1?
Yep.
I'll take the rest.
Alright.
We're having a tennis match. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here you go.
Pick one over there. Just drop one.
He's making you buy your one.
He buys his own stuff. He's got a whole bunch of money.
That's good. It teaches him something.
That's right. Teaches him about buying.
I used to do yard sales with my dad all the time when I was little.
Did you?
And that was my money that I made.
Yeah,
He said, if you can sell it, you can make
exactly.
yours.
Here's your 8.
Thank you.
Exactly. He learns a lot. Hey, you know, it's bonding time, right?
Yeah.
You'll cherish those memories with your dad.
Yeah. He went to go pick up our tables.
Oh, okay.
Left them at grandma's, and he's like, Sydney, why don't you plan this better?
Well, we can always come back later too. We figured we'd stop since we're in the neighborhood already.
Alright.
Wasn't hard to just stop by. There it goes. Anything in the garage you need me to carry out?
No, there is a big giant pinball machine, but I don't know.
Oh yeah, I saw that in your
I
ad.
don't know that he's rolling it out. He might.
Can I look at it?
Yeah, it's kind of covered at this moment.
Okay. Well, I can wait a little bit. Yeah, I saw that in your ad and I was incredibly curious what that meant. Like how big of a pinball machine this could be.
This is our game room.
Oh, cool.
So it's a giant. It's 1972.
Wow.
Pinball machine.
That is
Got to
awesome.
clean it. It's a soccer edition.
And it works?
Works just fine.
That looks really heavy though.
It is. It's very heavy. But yeah, you just.
What's he trying to get? Or are you trying to sell it or he's trying to sell
He's
it?
trying to sell
What's
it.
he trying to get for it?
I'm 300,
Yeah,
but
probably
I'm
fair.
sure if
Yeah.
a good offer was made to him,
I need to
he'd
get
take it.
authorization from the wife and all that stuff.
I had somebody call me about it, and they were like, she was like, I didn't know my husband, he's got a man room. She's
Yeah.
like, I didn't realize he meant something so expensive. And I
Yeah.
was like,
Yeah, no, they're worth that. They are.
So,
Yeah. That is cool, though.
Yep.
Super soccer.
Super soccer, that was my brother's thing.
Yeah.
So.
That is very cool. All right, well, that's pretty much it, right? Is this stuff for sale or not?
No.
Okay.
None of that's for sale.
I guess I got a tennis racket collection, which is cool. Jen's gonna find some clothes, I bet.
Probably so. Okay, so all clothes are $1. Uggs are $5.
Okay.
And that's $1.
All right.
Ah, you're working out.
I mean, you know.
And all
What
other
is
shoes,
this?
all other shoes are $1.
Okay.
This looks warm, Jen.
I know, right? Compared to how I feel right now.
I'm so cold.
Are you doing the tennis racket?
Yeah. All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank
Jen, I'm gonna go be warm with them. A guitar. Someone was telling me to look out for guitars. This is Jessica Lee Johnson's. Some headphones. Some new stuff. Wonder what that is. VTech Smile. Home Depot 13. I wonder if that means she wants 13 for it. Probably not. Man,
It was
that's
13 at Home Depot.
multi-tool or sander. Ooh, someone bought a pallet. Got some pallet goods. Desperate Housewives. Now we got season 3, season 5, season 2. Season 4. I mean, I don't know. I'll ask her how much for all of them. Ooh, VHS. That'd be great for my Econo line that I don't have. Oh, it's so cold.
Mary Kate
Oh,
Ashley Olsen?
yeah, Mary Kate and Ashley. It Takes Two. Oh, it's so cold.
The wind just is like so
Yes.
hot.
You need some help? You want us to pull some stuff out for you? Well, yeah. It's probably heavy for him, but. Anything else?
I think that's it for right now.
Okay. You got it, Brandon? You need me to take it?
You want to look there?
No. I just want to know if you thought it was too heavy. Look for horror VHS.
Huh?
Scary movies. Any scary movie you can find.
Yes.
That's not scary. That's romance. Nothing. I kind of want the Mary Kate and Ashley. I just think it'd be cool to lot them up. Hot summer and barefoot country. That could be good. White Christmas. Where's that Stallone movie I had? Did I lose it already? Mary Kate and Ashley.
Hey, there's like a ton of them.
What?
Like,
Yeah, no, they're fine. I mean, what's the price?
let's get a second.
Devil Insidious.
That's what I'm grabbing.
Put them back. Ask for the whole box.
Alright, we'll just do it.
You'll get a better price. You buying this?
Teach me your way, like, alright, what's the
Alright, I'll talk to her. I'll negotiate this for you.
Alright, there you go. I'm gonna put this back in.
Ma'am, how much on that box? Just the whole box.
The whole box.
The whole kit and caboodle. Get a whole collection in 5 minutes.
$30.
30? 25? Okay. You want it or you want me to?
How much
One of us
is
is
it?
buying it.
I
I
think
think 25 is fine.
Jen's got more money actually.
I'll
She
give
took
them
off.
back to you for $5.
All right. See,
What is that?
I don't really know. She said buy these for
Buy them?
Handles.
Bar pulse? Oh yeah, those are nice.
Drawers and cabinets and stuff.
I got the Mary Kate and Ashley collection,
Yeah. Okay.
and then the Desperate Housewives because they go well together. What do you think on that pile?
$3.
Perfect.
Here
Would
you
you
go.
do? All right. Oh, I took off. Would you do 20 for it all?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I think I
Thank
got
you.
$20. So.
$3.
Probably gonna sit there and collect dust for another 10 years.
Plus, you'd have to get him to move them back.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Oh, this is a nice shirt. Tina would like that.
I got a lot of nice stuff. I haven't got them all out yet.
Is this old?
That's
That's
actually
cool.
what I had last year I wore it one time.
I like that. How much is that shirt? What
$1.
size is it? $1. I'll take that. I think my wife would like that. Here you go. Your hands are turning
They're
red.
frozen.
At the first sale we went to, I bought these gloves. They had a bunch of ski gear, and I was like, I'll take the gloves.
I've got gloves in the house, but I can't work with them on my hands. It drives me crazy.
I know. Hey, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
You too. Let's just double check. Soft rack. What is that? Oh, that's a car. Oh, how much is your roof rack? How much on the roof rack? I didn't even see this table.
$10.
$10. And what about this tires? These are chains, right?
Yeah, I'll take 20 for those.
Oh, 20, I see.
Yeah, I bought them and then realized that it doesn't snow that much over here. So
No, it doesn't snow too
Yeah.
much.
So
I mean, I'd do 20 on the set.
okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm like, all I got is 10s though, which is probably good for the yard
Yeah,
sale.
thank you.
All right. How's it going, man?
They just came out of the car. I know.
It's freezing. We really got teased last weekend with the real warm weather. All right, thanks y'all. Hey guys, okay, thanks for coming with me to those two yard sales. Not really big ones, but I did get a couple of interesting items, so I figured we could walk through them really quick. Okay, so at the first sale, they were still setting up. We got there an hour early. We thought it started at 7, it started at 8. And I bought just all her tennis rackets for $1 a piece. I don't know if these have any value. I haven't looked them up yet. I don't know anything about tennis rackets. You know what I should do is take them into Play It Again Sports and just see if they'll give me an offer, because I don't know what they're worth, and maybe they'd give me some money for them. That might be a good idea, but they're not in great condition, so I don't even know. And I guess that's just cobwebs, so. But yeah, for those of you who do know this stuff, maybe, you know, we'll look at some names. This is Express Wilson Titanium. That's a Wilson Volcanic frame. There's a Pro Connects here, Copper Ace. And then there's this, what is this? A Pro Connects Sports. So yeah. Anyways, got $8 worth of tennis rackets. I can probably get $8 out of them, hopefully. I don't know, I'll have to look them up. Second sale, I got these two things for $10. This is a roof rack for surfboards. Looks like it goes for around 30. These are chains for your truck tires for snow. And that also looks like it sells for around 30 plus shipping. So both of those were pretty good buys. I got the pair for 10. And then the VHS and DVDs I got for $3 for the whole bundle. And Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen I got because I thought it was funny and, you know, brought back the memories. And then Desperate Housewives, you know, full seasons of DVD shows. I figured I'd lot them all together. I have listed them. I think I listed this for 20 for all 4. And these I listed for like 20 for the 4 seasons, or maybe 15 for the 4 seasons. The Desperate Housewives really weren't worth much. Not, the Mary Kate and Ashley weren't worth a ton either. I just had nostalgia, so I maybe priced them too high. But yeah, so that's all I found, guys. If you want to see what everything sells for, make sure you subscribe to the NC Flipper channel. That's my other channel. Turn on your notifications. I try to do videos as often as I can. It's usually a lot more than this channel because I get sales more often than I go yard selling. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.